Does a trust protect my assets? There are two basic types of living trusts, revocable and irrevocable. Revocable trusts are often referred to as living trusts. With a revocable trust, the person who creates the trust is called the grantor or settlor, and they maintain complete control over the trust and may amend, revoke, or terminate the trust at any time. This means that you, the grantor, can take back the funds you put in the trust or change the trust terms completely. Thus, the grantor is able to reap the benefits of the trust arrangement while maintaining the ability to change the trust at any time prior to death. Revocable trusts are generally used for the following purposes. 1. To avoid probate. 2. In the event you, the grantor, becomes incapacitated or unable to handle your own finances. Revocable trusts do not provide asset protection while you're alive. Irrevocable trusts, on the other hand, are used for asset protection and preservation. With an irrevocable trust, you're removing the assets out of your name. At that point, it becomes the property of the irrevocable trust. The assets are no longer yours. While the assets may no longer be yours, depending upon what type of irrevocable trust meets your estate planning goals, will determine what control you may have over the assets you placed into the trust. The asset protection rule provides whatever right you have to the asset, so does your creditor. Limiting your access to the asset is what provides the asset protection. Thus, any asset placed in an irrevocable trust cannot be pursued by creditors seeking payment of debt. There are several varieties of irrevocable trusts, including types specialized for qualifying for Medicaid, life insurance payouts, or funeral costs. Each of these trusts have their own set of rules which determine how much control you may have over the assets. In addition, irrevocable trusts avoid probate. However, depending upon the type of irrevocable trust that is created, the trust may or may not be included in the grantor's estate for tax purposes. Deciding which type of trust may be right for you can be a complex process. The guidance of an attorney with estate planning expertise is highly recommended. If you are interested in speaking with one of our estate planning and elder law attorneys, please click here or call us at 412-391-1014 to schedule an appointment. For more information about trusts, join us for our monthly webinar where we discuss trusts in more depth.